air fry halloumi with a gorgeous chili glaze over the top. This makes a really nice lunch dish. Also great for a party as well. You can pop them on skewers. So preheat your air fryer 200 degrees centigrade for 2 minutes. Take a 200 gram pack of halloumi and I'm just patting it dry. I'm going to be cutting mine into cubes. But if you want to make them as air fryer halloumi fries, then you just crack on, or slices, but I do like cubes for this. Then what I'm going to do is just take a little olive oil and brush it over the cubes and then add some smoked paprika. You're going to cook for around about 8 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade again, and just evenly spread them out and give them a shake every minute or two. To make the chili glaze, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of runny honey, along with a sprinkling of chili flakes, and 1 crushed garlic clove, and a 2.5 centimetre piece of ginger, which you crush up, and then give it a really good mix round. I just love this air fried halloumi with a nice chopped salad, so just choose the items that you like. Then you pop the halloumi on top and then add that most gorgeous chili glaze. It's also really nice with chicken as well, this glaze, so you might want to keep the recipe. And talking of recipes, if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.